here is Dr. Shazia Maqsood. I wish you all the very best for your exams. And one thing that we learned today, that it is very important to unlearn bad practices and to relearn what is correct.
I'm very pleased to be a part of this MRCOG Part 3 preparatory course,
which is conducted by Med Exam Expert.
I really enjoyed this drill because this was exactly giving us the feel of actual RCOG exam.
Many times we spend hours and hours studying, getting all the facts right. But for your OSCE, you can never ever prepare for this alone.
And to make you more confident about what to do and what not to do.
And also real-time scenario for patients' benefit in future.
And I'm very pleased to say that this was an excellent occasion where the candidates were examined by the faculty, which consisted of the actual examiners will be undertaking the exams in 2 days' time. The other great strength of this course was that the scenarios that were presented and discussed were from the actual MRCOG Part 3 exam.
I managed to get a feedback from each doctor about what went well and what went bad and how can we improve that.
We can demonstrate and practice at a similar situation like the real exam. And there's a lot of a new thing that we learn also here.
Faculty give individual feedback and also general feedback for each station, and it was very helpful.
I made a real examiner feel like a real exam.
I would encourage you to research this course and to think about signing up for it.
So I definitely recommend anybody who's preparing for the exam to join this course.
And we wish to see you conquering the world with these exams and going back to the college, grabbing your degree in the next month, inshallah. Signing off from Abu Dhabi.